Alright, welcome to another unboxing video by Tej and Beej. Today we're going to unbox the Nike Speed Rope 2.0. Maybe they had a 1.0 or something that didn't sell so well, I don't know. Comes in a nice package here, black, really matches the decor of really any home. It's got the nice hanging holster loop thing for display or quick access and storage. It appears as if to be held in with just a few zip ties. So yeah, let's open it up and see what's all inside. This is definitely a good package here. It doesn't want to pop open all that easily. There we go. All right. There you have it, the Nike 2.0 Speed Rope. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.